Hello everybody, I am Sonalisa Misra. Welcome to Biotech Multiverse. Today our topic is related in this COVID situation. In this COVID situation, we all are eagerly waiting for the vaccine. Am I right or not? Yes, I am. So, here my question is why we all are waiting for the vaccine? What is the importance of vaccine in our body? Why we need vaccine? What is the role of vaccine in our body? Let's discuss, find all the answer of these questions. Listen, sometimes our body's immune system is not enough to fight against the foreign particles. That time, escape from those foreign particles, those infective diseases, vaccines are produced. We all know that immune system is the defense force or defense mechanism of our body. When this defense force is not enough to fight against diseases, we apply some artificial technique to solve these problems. Artificial techniques means we produced vaccine to solve these problems. I mean to say that vaccine is an artificial source which is help us to develop our immune system. And our immune system prepare antibodies to fight against those harmful diseases, those harmful pathogens and cure us. So let's discuss deeply about the vaccine. What is vaccine? I hope you all will guess that what is the topic of today. Today's our topic is vaccine. What is first we discuss what is the definition of vaccine. The definition of vaccine is it is a simple, safe and effective way of protecting animals and human beings against those harmful diseases. It is always active before the disease come into contact with the body. Let's take an example for better understanding. You all hear the name landmines, which are pre-planned process to fight against the enemies. Right or not? Yeah. Likewise, vaccine are also pre-planned or pre-mediated planned, which are planned to escape from future infection. Let's discuss why I told that vaccine is a pre-planned, pre-mediated planned. First thing is how vaccines are prepared. Using recombinant DNA technology, vaccines are prepared. These vaccines are made up of some dead or inactive effective pathogens which are responsible for diseases or some modified substances called some genetic materials of those pathogens are used to prepare vaccine. How vaccine are prepared? Vaccines are prepared using some dead or inactive effective pathogens which are responsible for those diseases or some modified some substances like recombinant part or some genetic material of those pathogens are used to prepare vaccine. Means either we use some genetic material like RNA, DNA or protein of those infected pathogens, or we inactivate those infective pathogen and then inject into a person animal's blood using a needle in order to protect the body against that disease. I am sure here you all have a question in your mind that those microbes were infective and responsible for diseases, how these are injected in our body to escape from harmful diseases, how is it possible, how we inject harmful substances in our body and how these substances are not harmful to us. Listen, in the form of vaccine, we only use some parts, some modified parts or some inactive pathogen, not used to the total pathogenic microbes. You all catch this point or not? In the form of vaccine, we only used some parts, not the total pathogenic microbes. total pathogenic substances, some modified parts, or some inactive pathogen, not to use the total pathogenic microbes. That time, those pathogenic microbes have no gang to infect us. So, when we inject these substances, these are not harmful for us. So, because of this reason, the pathogenic substances are not affect us, and those substances are called vaccine, which are injected into the person's or animal's blood through injection. Here, I have a question that why we inject those parts, those pathogenic parts in our body? What is the role of those parts? Means what is the role of vaccine in our body? How it play their role in our body, and how it is beneficial for us and help us to escape from harmful diseases. Let's start. I hope you will listen the sentence that कांटे को कांटे से ही निकाला जा सकता है, ऐसे ही पैथोजन सब्सटेंस को यूज करके हम उस पैथोजन को ही हरा सकते हैं. चलो देखते हैं कैसे ये सब हमारे बॉडी में होता है, कैसे ये पैथोजन हमारे बॉडी में हेल्पफुल होता है. हाउ वैक्सीन आर वर्कड इन आवर बॉडी. लिसन. When the vaccine injected directly into the body's immune system start fight against those substances, means fight against those vaccines. Here the vaccine is act as an antigen, which is the foreign particle for our body, and that body's immune system is more active. That time body's immune system prepare antibody to fight against those substances. Here, listen, what is antibody? Antibody is a specific protein which is bind to that particular substance called antigen of infective microbes, or capable to destroy those infective microbes. When the vaccine are injected into the blood, body's immune system prepare antibody which are fight against those foreign particles, which are called, those foreign particles have antigen, and those antigens are bind with the antibody, and antibody destroy those antigens, destroy those pathogens. Then the interesting and valuable fact is those antibodies are stored in our cell for the future use. Where these cells are stored? These antibodies are stored in memory cell. Memory cell of in B cell, T cell are present in our immune system. In the B cell, the memory cells is present, and in the memory cell, the antibodies are present stored for future protection. So, the immune system stored those antibodies for the future use. In future, if those infective microbes create infection in body, those stored antibodies are then active and start to working. The antibodies are quickly bind to those antigen of pathogen and destroy those foreign particles which are responsible for harmful diseases. Because of the stored antibodies, those pathogens are not harm to us. So, we need वैक्सीन. भूख मिटाने के लिए खाने का इंतजाम पहले से ही करना पड़ता है. ऐसे ही इस तरह से हार्मफुल डिजीज से बचने के लिए वैक्सीन को पहले से ही लेना पड़ता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस आई टोल्ड दैट वैक्सीन इज ए प्री प्लान टू एस्केप फ्रॉम फ्यूचर इन्फेक्शन ऑफ हार्मफुल डिजीजेस. इट इज वन टाइप ऑफ प्रिकॉशन, गिव प्रिकॉशन टू आवर बॉडी. ओवरऑली this is all about vaccine. In the next video, I will elaborate the production of vaccine, how vaccines are produced in the industry in large amount for every person, for every animals and persons. How vaccines are produced large amount for everyone. So let's go now. We'll be coming soon with production of vaccine. I hope this video was informative for you, and if you have anything to ask, please write to me. I will try to get back you as soon as possible. If you find this video is informative, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Keep learning and happy learning.